Are wondering what is the difference between the GT3, D16, V66 and also i1 Pro drone? So you see I have the GT3 over here, and actually there isn't any difference between these drones, so they're all the same drones. They're simply like packaged basically in different boxes and simply sold by different like retailers, basically sellers. So, and also basically in different markets, they simply like market them under slightly different name. So again, if you're wondering which one to purchase, so again, it doesn't really matter which one you purchase because they're all the same drone. For example, I have the GT3, and also I have personally also checked out the box of the V66 as well. And again, basically inside the box, again, it's identical really. So the drone is identical, everything. But on the side, you see you have this logo and model number. So the only difference really will be, so as you see on this one I have the GT3 logo, but again, for example, on the D16 you would probably see maybe like letters somewhere else of the model number, and that's really the only difference between these. So the drone itself is, yeah, the same. So if you are basically checking out your drone, you can see basically what mine looks like. We have the battery, and again, the batteries also are identical on all of them. So yep, and also the remote control also is actually identical on all of them. By the way, if you're looking to purchase the drone, I'll leave a special discount link in the description where you can get it. As you see, I only literally paid a bit over $10 for mine. That also is free shipping from AliExpress. So AliExpress really probably is the cheapest place where you can purchase this drone. So again, simply check out the special discount links in the description if you want to get this drone. By the way, also in some of these listings, you also get a choice between like few different like camera models. But again, this is actually a bit of scam basically, because actually they all of them basically have identical camera inside. And what these sellers do, they simply like create multiple listings with different choices and basically say that some model actually will have like higher resolution camera, maybe like 4K, 6K or 8K camera. But again, that's a complete scam really. So you should simply purchase the cheapest version you can, because again, the camera actually inside will be the same. So again, I have no idea why they actually do this scam, but again, I see this all over basically. So, and also if you basically see some other websites that maybe claims that, for example, this model has maybe slightly better camera, better resolution, that's a complete lie. So again, I have checked basically two of these. So again, the camera is identical on both of them, and this is the same situation with other drone models as well. So again, this is very well known scam. So again, do not fall for that. Simply purchase the cheapest version you can, and you will receive the same drone. Again, if you want to get it, basically, yeah, for the cheapest price, really check out the discount links in the description. And overall, is drone actually worth it, and should you maybe get one? So yep, I have actually used it for a couple of weeks, and it's absolutely fantastic drone. In fact, when it comes to all these budget drones, this by far is the best really, so there is no question asked. I have in this like past year, I have had maybe like 5 different of these budget drones up to maybe like $30, and again, this by far is the best. So the durability is really the best, like stability in the air, how it flies, and also how it can controlled. Also the range is best out of any cheap drone. So again, so this actually like recently released model, so maybe like 2 months ago, and again it completely destroys every other budget drone in the market. So if you're looking for a cheap drone, yep, I can actually highly suggest this one. Anyway, good luck.